in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. So let's jump to it. Okay, so this is the footage. Okay, so you can use any footage, raw footage, to do the same thing I'm about to show you. Okay, so let's just move to where we can just grade our footage, and I'm going to create new item. I'm going to create adjustment layer. Okay, because I don't want to do anything about this. I want to focus about this one. So this delay, if anything just happened, you can just delete it and just work on, start it over again. Okay, so the only thing you're going to do when it comes to some footage like this, okay, the only thing you're going to do is that you're going to push the contrast to be around this side to be 44. Okay, so the 44, hold on, and let's just jump to this. Okay, so then you're going to push this, okay, this one, the highlights, you're going to make the highlight to be around this side. So let's just push into 22.9. let's be around that side, and we're going to push the shadow. Okay, the shadow is supposed to be around 56.1. let's just be there, and push the black. Okay, so the black is supposed to be around 41.0, and I'm going to push the white. Okay, so the white is supposed to be around 38.7, and let's just check the before and after. So we're going to jump to the contrast again. Okay, so I'm going to push the contrast. You see all the details just showing up, and you can see before and after. It's just showing you everything you just need right now. You can see the details. Okay, so when you're done with this process, everything here, make sure you push the black to be around 50.9, because I'm just making it step by step how you're going to start from the beginning and just get the same results. So when you get to this level, okay, get to this level, make sure you push the saturation to be around 111.2. So when you're done with that, let's see the before and after. Okay, then we're going to jump to the creative. So the creative, no, sorry, to the curve. So to the curve, I'm going to use this line. Okay, this line, this first line, okay, the white one. So you're going to step the 8 here, 1 2 3. So the 3, we're going to make sure you're going to push this down here. Okay, so I'm going to push the down to be around this side. But when you're working on that, you need to be careful with it, because you can just mess up. So I just want to stick to this side. Okay, I just want here to be around around this side. Just follow the step by step. And it comes to the red. Okay, so the red, you're going to push the red to be around here. Okay, you can see, and you move to the green, and the green, so you're going to push it. Okay, don't worry about this. Okay, so the last one is going to change everything. This blue line, okay, this blue line is going to change everything. Have you seen it? It's just give you everything, because I show you the code how to just work on this, so you can see the before and after, before and after. So when you're done with this process here, and then we jump to the basic correction. So the basic correction, we're going to increase a little the exposure, and then here, okay, you don't have to make it too much, but you have to, right now you have to make it 83.4. so 83.4. I'm going to push this green. Okay, I just want a film grade, so you're going to push this green to be, let's say, to be around 12.2, the 12.2, and this, don't make it too much. So here I'm going to push it to, let's say, 4.4, and the 4.4, I'm going to push the, sorry, I'm going to push the whites again, because I need it to bright more, and then you can push the saturation to be around 1 to 7.3. So let's check the before and after. This is very simple to just come up with something cool like this. This is not something you need to stress too much, because if you want to come up with or to get a film grade. This is how you're going to start it. Okay, this is how you're going to start it. I've just make it everything simple for you to just work on. So let's play. Have you seen it? So let me just hide this one. Okay, this gives you everything you just need. So if you want to make here just bright, you can go for the shadow, then bright it a little bit. But if you want it to be more creative, so here, okay, you can see the difference now. So the only thing is going to do with that, sometimes you need to make sure the correction needs to be done. So here I'm going to push the shadow to be around the back here, okay, because I just want it to be the same. Okay, have you seen it? The same thing. Okay, so guys, I'm awake, and if you need more videos like this, subscribe to my page. I'm dropping more videos for you. See you for the next one. Bye.